Let me hear y'all.
You can't tell me that God is not patient. 'Cause girl, with you, he took his time. They cannot convince me he's not only. I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can call my own. Tell me that it's true.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Tempest. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this video will mainly be just living in Florida, I guess. A little week in Florida, a little vloggy vlog. Happy Sunday. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so this is the before. We have so many clothes. This might be the hardest part of the house. I am not ready to start on this closet because I have so many boxes that have to go in here. Like all of these, and they all big boxes. Those over there. Lord, pray for me. But I'm about to get started and get some stuff done. I can't get on camera right now. I look a hot mess. But I'm going to show y'all the before. And I'm about to get to hanging up all these clothes. Yeah, so I'm really indecisive on this closet. Like, don't get me wrong. I'm thankful, but I really need a room for just in closet. Like, I've been stuck in the same spot trying to fit all of our things. Like, I got his shorts and jeans up. I got my pants up right there. I got my shorts and like skirts up right there. This row I'm gonna put up there. I just haven't got up there yet. But I'm gonna put like my t-shirts and all my shirts, like blouses like I wear out, and then sets, like legging sets, I'm gonna put up there. And that's these things right here. So basically I want my pants right here, my shorts and skirts right here, all my shirts on this row, like, and legging sets, like things I wear like that out, like, or like jogging pants sets, like stuff like that, this type of stuff. Blouses I wear out, all on this row. This row I want to do like my jewelry, makeup items, you know, like hats, all that. Put his shoes on here. And then we still have this row. Oh, that'll probably be like his hats. But it's like, I feel like I'm running out of space. I'm going to put some totes right here of our like different things that go in totes. Because I don't think we have the room for like items. Like, I'm running out of space. Oh, and I made his like real closet in the front. Like, so he have a closet in the front, but also his stuff is bigger than mine. You know, when you have a big man, like his stuff is bigger. Not big, but like, you know, he's 6'5", so he tall. So his stuff is way bigger than mine. So his take up more space. So like his jeans, you know, they're going to be bigger. But I got them, like, they in a good spot right here. But I have all his shirts up front, which is kind of crazy, right? I'm just trying to make it fit, y'all. And I want it to be, like, you know, cute. Like, it ain't gonna be aesthetically pleasing like how all the girls' closet be, because I share a closet with a man and they probably don't be having a man. So they get their whole closet to themselves. I just want it cute though, so I'm trying to make it work. So we'll be back. All right, this is an update. I got those clothes up there, clothes that I don't wear often, just my jogging suit sets, hoodies, that type of thing. Cute little jogging pants, you know, all that type of stuff. I'll put that up there just because it look cute. I'm starting on this shelf. Everything won't be like this right now because I'm just waiting on some stuff to come in the mail, and I'm gonna do how I want it, basically. But I got those up there. I started putting the shoes on the rack. Them are some of my denim jeans, denim shorts, and skirts. I put all my like t-shirts and like workout wear, stuff like that, even though I don't work out. And then I'm starting on my purse rack. I told y'all I have too many purses. It's not even most of them. I still have a lot of purses to go. I don't even know where the purse is about to go. But that's how it's looking right now. So this is what I did so far. And I'm about to, I guess, start on this side. I'm probably going to do his hats up there. That's what I'm thinking. So stay tuned.
I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I currently just took a shower and put some clothes on. Me and the boys are headed out. We're about to just run a few errands that we need to run. Please don't mind my area. It's pretty crowded right now, but still unpacking. But I just got on this little, what you call this? It wouldn't be a flannel, but I guess a little button up. And I just put on some denim jeans, and I got on my slide-ins. Yeah. So we are currently, it goes really good. Y'all remember probably when I bought this, I had got it from, where I get this from? I can't even remember. But y'all, I put my hair in a little bun. And yeah, we're gonna go by Walmart. And we're gonna, you know, just like see the city right quick. So come along with us. I gotta do my edges right quick. Let me do my edges right quick. Do my edges. I did them a little bit, but they coming up. This is the last day before Brian have to go to work, so we was like, we just get out for a little bit right quick. Probably go by Walmart, get us some food, some dinner, and yeah. We still have so much to do, but I'll probably get some more stuff done tomorrow. Ooh. All right. I'll put all my little hair stuff down here. Let me show y'all. So I ain't organized everything just yet, but I got all my little hair stuff in there, lashes, scrunchies I use for my hair, and then, you know, stuff like that. But I'm gonna organize it way better once I get some little clearer things. But that's how it's looking for right now. So, all right, let's go.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money.
Paradise.
Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely.
From the D to this.
Living lovely.
Mama, we made it.
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still?
Yeah, so we just got to Walmart, Wally World. About to grab some essentials and things that we need.
What's up with them?
What?
I'm hanging again.
He do not want to wear them, Brian. That's what I told him. I'm like, what's wrong with that? This boy think he don't supposed to wear hang drawers. He only can wear ethicas. Who he think he is? He need a job. I thought we didn't need nothing gaming wise and TV wise. I thought we didn't need that type of stuff. Oh, duh.
Alright, y'all. I have the coconut vanilla. This body wash.
Smell really good.
Smell real good. I recommend it for y'all. It's not too early, not too early. Y'all around my age.
This smell amazing.
Peach.
Yeah, this smell
And
real
y'all need
good.
this too for some of y'all kids. Y'all be musty now. So y'all be.
Irritating. I want that.
Give me a pen. You know, Dad.
You see, we kept trying to grab that off.
Them boys be so good. Like,
They do. Stop it.
yeah.
You will arrive at your destination at 7:21 p.m.
Fun fact. I miss Hungry Howie's so bad. Like, real bad. I'm so happy Hungry Howie's is in Florida. Because we did not have one in Memphis. And we really haven't had it since Detroit.
Y'all have it.
And I don't, when I go home, since it's not one like around my mama house, I don't never get it. It used to be one down the street from my old house, but it's not one near my mom's house. So we are so happy to be getting some Hungry Howies tonight. I'm about to smash. Yes, y'all. We just left Walmart and we're on our way home. Ooh, we got some food. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This pizza is so good. Memphis ain't got really no good pizza for real. The bag is in. He can't wait to open it. Boy, you was irritating. Like we used to go to Domino's and Pizza Hut in Memphis.
We didn't go to
We settled for that. Oh, it smells so good. I smell it. That crust, that garlic. I can smell it.
That is a big pizza right there.
Dang. Oh, that's Hungry Howie's right there.
Speed up.
I remember BJ used to come in the house and he'd be like, I smell Hungry Howie's. He used to say that. He could smell some food.
I smell.
Oh, they got a chicken salad, chicken here.
I got real good sense of smell though. Like that's how I know.
Alright, y'all, we're on our way home.
Bro, if I was a bus rider, I would be walking.
It look different.
Nah, I don't look different.
Yeah, and I'm the only one that only like my Pepsi. I mean, like my pizza with the pop. Like, pop is not good without, I mean, pizza is not good without a pop. Like, it just makes the pizza. Period. They didn't have Dr. Pepper. Well, they don't like Dr. Pepper, so I got Pepsi. The Pepsi. Oh, I'm about to eat my food and I guess we'll talk later. I don't know what the night is bringing us, but I'll pick y'all back up. Yep. Again.
Thank you, cheese and duck. What can I get started for you?
Hi, pick up for Tempest.
Alrighty, going around.
One thing I gotta do is realize that I'm in Florida and I don't have to come outside with a jacket on. I'm burning up. And this is my second day doing that. Came out yesterday in a damn jacket, burning up. Now today, I'm burning up again. What is wrong with you, girl? I be thinking like, you know, since it's morning time that the weather gonna be kind of cool. No, not in Florida. No. But hey, y'all. I just left BJ's school. He starts tomorrow. I just left his school, got him all situated with that, took up the papers. It was like really easy process. So all I had to do was get them papers to him, fill out registration, sent some proof of address over, and that was it. It was really smooth. He don't have to wear uniform, and he did wear uniform at his last school, so he really happy for that, because that boy be wanting to put that every day, literally. He can't wait to not have to wear uniform, so that's good. But and he started school later. Like, he don't have to be to school as early as he did before. So that's great as well. But yeah, I just stopped at Dunkin'. I'm about to get my little coffee and little hash browns. I had a couple errands to run, so, and see about what we're gonna eat for dinner, but hold on, y'all. Y'all, it's so hot. I just had to turn on the air. So I hope y'all can hear me. The area we stay in, though, it's like really nice over here. I love it. I love it here, y'all. I love it here. I love it here. Literally, like, it's just so peaceful. Like, it's a different type of vibe. It's a different type of vibe. I love it here. Like, everything is just nice. Like, it's great. Life is great. Trying to think if I'm gonna go to this dollar store. What could we possibly need? To just want to spend some money. Like, girl, take your butt home. But guess what? We got a Publix. So now I get to shop in Publix. I heard Publix pretty high though. I never really shopped in there. I shop in there when we go like for what would we be going for? For BJ in Florida for his Florida football trips. But it only be like big stuff, so I never really shopped in there. I'm gonna have to start looking at prices. Well, either way, they across the street from a Walmart, so. But I do want to, like, I think I want to go there, though. I be hearing some really good stuff. I think I should have went to that dollar store, because I feel like it's something I need that I've been saying I need, but I can't really put my brain to it right now. I really think I should have went to that dollar store. I don't know, but, yeah, got my coffee, though. Got my coffee. And a little hash brown. But yeah, y'all, so got him situated with school. I'm so excited for that because I didn't think he'd be able to start till like Wednesday or Thursday, but they got him right in, so that's good. That's good. And I'm about to just run my little errands and then I'll probably pick that back up later. Y'all, so I made it back home. Just popped me some popcorn. I'm just chilling. I've been trying to straighten up. Ooh, child, it's so much. I'm so tired of looking at boxes. But I just emptied out a few boxes and now I'm just eating me some popcorn. We still don't got no cable or Wi-Fi. I'm connected to somebody's Wi-Fi. But as of right now, I'm just eating some popcorn, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna break down all these boxes and yeah. Ooh, I think Brian left this patio door open last night. This patio is open, y'all. Last night we was sitting here smoking hookah, and I think he left his patio door open. I don't think he remembered that. We kind of went to bed because we was tired. We was exhausted. Luckily, we ain't got to worry about anybody coming in. But he definitely left his patio door open. I just can't wait to get my house together all the way. He definitely left his patio door open. I'm about to open up the blinds. Let a little sunlight in. Sunlight. I got all these packages right here. I gotta open up stuff, but I ain't been doing anything. Today I watch 3 vlogs. I'm about to just, all I can do is be on my phone. I ain't got no more vlog. You know what? I do got somebody's vlog I can watch. I'm about to find hers. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to find her vlog, and then I'm gonna break down these boxes. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I did too, because I don't know if I updated y'all. I haven't decorated or anything yet. I cashed out my Amazon card. Brian said that's my Valentine's Day gift. He know he wrong. He said that's my Valentine's Day. He was like, this your Valentine's Day gift. So I did cash out my what I did, I cashed out my Amazon card. So I will start decorating later this week. That order is supposed to come in like Thursday or Saturday. And it's a lot of stuff. So I haven't did my patio stuff yet though. So that would be my next order I want to do. I want to order my patio, but I have time for that. Basically, I want to decorate the patio. So I actually wanted the patio done for Super Bowl Sunday, but dang, I'm gonna bring that up to him and see what he thinks. Cause I was like, I thought that'd be, you know, nice, us watching the Super Bowl on the patio. I cook or whatever. I'm not quite sure what I want to make it. I was thinking rotel, but rotel and nachos is pretty much the same thing. So maybe rotel, different wingdings. I don't know yet. I'm thinking rotel dip. Rotel dip. What's another dip I could do? Different wingdings. I don't know. I gotta think of some. Yeah, some different little dips, different wingdings, stuff like that. So I'll pick y'all back up in a little bit. I'm about to probably turn on a vlog I can watch. We ain't got no Wi-Fi, so I can't put it like on the TV or my iPad. So I've been doing it from the phone. But I think I'm about to turn on Mona Living because she dropped the other day. Yeah, I'm about to turn on my girl. So I'll be back. All right, you look cute. First day of your Florida school. Are you ready for school? His school is to the right, y'all. I can't believe you about to go. We gotta get him a scooter or a bike because that's what they do in the South. We see everybody riding their bikes and scooters to school. That's crazy. Oh, it's the police right here. But are you ready? You ready, please? This like your first day of high school or something. Hey y'all. So I'm in BJ's car line to pick him up from school. They have, I was scared about the whole car line pickup because y'all know, I don't put it on my blogs before. Tennessee, the line be so out of control, it be crazy. Here they have a whole, like a way better like system because I see like a lot of parents is parked outside. And I guess the kids walk to them. Like, you have to put your kid down as a car rider, I think, or something in Tennessee. I mean, a walker or anything like that in Tennessee. Here, the kids can just walk. You already know where we at. But it's like a way better system. Like, I'm in line or whatever. And the line not even that long. So they alright with me, child. They alright with me. But hopefully the line, I guess, goes smooth. Cause I don't know how this go. This is first day. I'm excited to see how his first day went. I can't wait. And then we're gonna go by Walmart because I gotta get some food. See, I don't know how this go because I'm seeing like Parents Park. I do not know how this go. I hope I'm doing this right. I guess I'll learn today. Yeah, I'm gonna learn today. I don't know how this go. But I guess I'll pick y'all back up when we get to like Walmart or something because I need to go to Walmart. Oh, the kids starting to come out. Alright, so I'm about to pick him up and then we're gonna go by Walmart. I wanna see about printing some pictures off. Hopefully they do it at this Walmart I'm thinking about going to, but if not, I'm just gonna get what I need for dinner and call it a day. But we'll see y'all when we get there. I know. Tell them how your day was.
It's way better than jumper time. Like, it's way better. Like,
It's way better.
But it's like high school though, so I'll take class with everybody. And
Y'all, this
walk
junk is
outside.
just like high school.
And we walk outside though, so like, and we have our phones out in some class, and I be having my beats on.
Let me see.
Yeah, cause you know that thing, bro. That's why I don't use it.
So yeah,
I like it though.
you like it?
Oh look, that girl, look, the girl, the mama right up right there, where they can watch her.
Exactly. That's what I'm at. That's what's up though. He like it, and I'm so happy for him.
Walking to that burger.
I was afraid. He talking about if he be walking home, he gonna be walking to get something to eat. Boy, you ain't about to walk and get nothing to eat. Yeah, we on our way to Wally World.
Girl just staring at me. Like,
Who was staring?
don't tell me, come on.
Y'all, so we just door dashed. He wanted this, what you call it?
The three.
I just told y'all we door dashed. I ain't say hey or nothing. Hey y'all. We door dashed some Chili's. Brian went out, so we needed food, child. So we had to door dash.
So y'all know the family. I said families. The famous. The three. What's it called?
The triple dipper from
The triple dipper from Chili's.
Chili's.
It got the.
He wanted to try them Nashville hot mozzarella sticks. They probably not even hot no more.
What? Food.
Our mozzarella sticks.
I know like 20 minutes.
So today is, what's today? Tuesday? No, Wednesday.
That's yours.
Happy Wednesday.
Happy day with me.
Ooh. Ooh, it looks
We got the
so.
honey chipotle.
Ooh,
And the honey chipotle.
These
chicken
honey chipotle chicken tenders look so darn good. Look at this. Look how good this is.
I can't wait to try. I don't know. I said forget my vlog.
So we about to try the Nashville hot. This is how it look.
Ooh, mama.
Dang. This is so good.
Well,
It's good. I need water. Go get us water. You better not waste nothing on my carpet.
brother sticks. What's your rating?
Mozzarella sticks. I don't know. They're 10 out of 10, baby.
Want to try chicken tenders?
I had chicken tenders before, but yeah.
I never had it before.
I did that game with this, yeah.
8.5.
It's so good.
8.5.
8.5.
What you rate it?
About 9.
Okay. Hey, it's about to be the toilet tonight. We about to go on the toilet tonight.
Hello?
We about to go on the toilet tonight.
I know all this hot shit.
Yep.
It's the burger.
Wait. Dang.
Regular little burger. It's too much food.
Oh, this is a lot of food.
They did that thing was good.
So which read the whole combo?
20 out of 20.
Three. Cool.
This shit's so good.
1 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Kind of mid.
Kinda mid.
I'm sure it's 10. These are my fish sticks though, the best. Like,
I need to warm mine up a little bit more.
the metal sticks you are. You want
what water?
my red sticks, y'all? There's for sure. That was not lying. It's worth, man, it's worth it. It's worth how much we paid. Yeah, we paid a whopping $100 for this.
I'm going.
I'm sorry, we paid like $40 for this. Ooh.
I don't want this whole chicken tender, but I want some of it.
I mean, about to start after this. I'm cool. I'll see the rest for later. That's my smelly stick for me, y'all.
That's your favorite part?
Yes. Oh, crispy.
I'm about to warm mine up.
Alright. For me, y'all, I say the chicken is my least favorite. I mean,
Chicken's in the least favorite.
I feel like my favorite stick the sandwich. The reason I say it because I really don't really like Chipotle ranch. Chipotle, whatever it's called. So I like Chipotle, that food, but not that sauce.
Mine too hot now. I don't warm it up too much. Ooh, it's hot.
But like, I recommend this, y'all, if you haven't tried it yet.
Boy, you greedy as hell. You don't eat all your damn food. You greedy.
I'm full.
You ain't full.
I'm probably full. I'm on the bed. I'm done after this.
Shit, you about to go eat the rest.
I said I'm full. I'm done.
You was greedy.
Okay, let's left.
No, put them in my box. Don't put that box in the refrigerator.
Only we had Winston Ranch. 10 out of 10 must try again. See, now I'm so big now.
You know.
I'm gonna throw these switches away. Oh, you said put it in your stuff. I'm gonna put your stuff.
Yeah, don't wash your hands.
That was my food right there. We could share. We both could have got one each. All food I have to try all of one. I got lucky food. I was eating one mouse rather steaks for one. I forced the other stuff.
This boy about to be. All right, here goes the grand finale.
Yeah, you got cheese food. Yeah, I got cheese food. Yeah. Oh, you finally got cheese food.
Damn.
Bro.
A big cheese boy.
That was the best cheese pasta you did. You know what I want?
Y'all, so I don't think I showed y'all my paper towel holder. Look how cutesy it is. It just looked so much better than having it on like the counter. I just thought that was really cute. I got it off Shein. I'm gonna have to link it down. And it was real cheap too. It wasn't much at all. And all you do is take a little paper off and you just stick it to that. Stick it up under. Or you can drill it, but I just stuck it, you know, to the cabinet. Very cute. I wish it had focused. There we go. Cutesy. Good morning. Happy Thursday, y'all. I have had coffee 3 times in this vlog. Please don't judge me. Yes, I have went to Dunkin' 3 times in this vlog. Not judge me. Don't judge. Don't judge. But I just pulled up the Publix, y'all. It's 9 in the morning. I just dropped off BJ at school. I'm about to run in this store. I really just want some fruit and I want some flowers. So I just want them 2 things. And I really just wanted to come. Just because I can come now. I told y'all that I've been wanting to come to Publix. It's like one really near us right here. So I was like, I just couldn't wait to like be able to go to Publix and become a Publix girly. You feel me? So it's one right here and I'm about to go in there. Period. I didn't know Publix had a liquor store as well. It's a liquor store, right? It's a Publix Liquors. That's sweet. Yeah, that's sweet. I didn't know they had sell liquor. I remember seeing that at the one I went to. But they might have did. I just didn't even check. But yes, girl, I'm about to go into this Publix and we will see y'all when we get in there. These faces is really cute. I love that. It's like a heart. It's so cute. Pick me up some strawberries. Now they got the Hooters chicken wings. I damn near want to try them. One thing about me, I'm going where the deal's at, baby. $8.45 for this big old pack. When Publix just wanted this for a small pack. Hey y'all, so I've made it back home. I'm gonna just show y'all what I got from the store. Nothing much for real. So I got this big thing of chicken tender breast because I plan to make some quesadillas today. I got the boys some ice cream because you know they love ice cream. This is stuff I got from Piggly Willy. I got some oil and I got some juice. Oh, and I got some water too, but I left that in the car because we stay on the 3rd floor. I couldn't come up them stairs with all these bags and water, so I just wait till BJ get out of school and he can bring it up for me. And I just got this paper because Piggly Willy had some really good deals today. If I was on a real big grocery shopping mode, I would have got a lot of stuff. They had some really good deals. This big old thing was $8.45. Do you know when I went to Publix, it was little, it was like this right here for 8 something. I was like, oh nah, I ain't getting my meat from here. I was like, I'm gonna go to Piggly Wiggly right quick. But I really wish I would have waited to get this type of stuff too at Piggly Wiggly, but I ended up getting it. I just got some rice to go with the quesadillas, some little Mexican rice, some tortillas, a little seasoning packet. I got some grapes. These grapes look so fresh and good. And I got some strawberries. Oh, and I end up going with these for the flowers, the what you call it, the tulips. I thought these was really pretty. They really didn't have a big selection like I thought. Like I wanted some roses, but they really didn't have a big selection. So I just went with these because they're really pretty. And I got a vase this color that I'm gonna put them in. So yes, that's basically all I got. But I'm about to wash these fruits off. Yeah, I'm about to wash these fruits off, put my flowers in a vase, and that's about it. I got a whole bunch of packages coming in today, so they actually out for delivery. It won't be in this vlog, it'll probably be on the next one, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think it's gonna be the ending of the vlog too, because we already passed 30 minutes in this vlog. We're probably at like 40 something minutes now, but no, probably at almost an hour. Yeah, so I think it's gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it today. I mean, well, spending a week with us. I really didn't record every day, but pretty much for the most part, it was like every other day. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all telling a friend, telling y'all mama, telling y'all grandma, telling y'all daddy, period. And yeah, we'll see y'all on the next one.